This is going to sound insane, but your balls can actually smell. And it's not in the way that your nose does, but in the sense that testicles and sperm literally have the same receptors your nose uses to detect odors. Yep, your swimmers have tiny microscopic noses guiding them like GPS. Welcome to one of the strangest facts about male biology. It's fascinating and fun to learn about. When scientists discovered olfactory receptors in the testes, the reaction was pretty much, wait a second, what are these doing here? Turns out that your body doesn't limit smell receptors to just your nose. They're scattered all over our skin, our heart, our kidneys, and even in our gut. In testicles, they act as chemical detectors that help sperm navigate. This is where it becomes very interesting. The female egg isn't passive, it actually releases chemical signals into its environment. These molecules act like a perfume trail. Sperm smell these signals and adjust their swimming path accordingly to these smells. This is called chemotaxis. It's the movement guided by chemical scent. Why did this evolve? Because in chaos of the reproductive system, it's not enough to be fast. You have to be guided. The female reproductive tract is a complex maze. Sperm that can sniff their way to the egg have an advantage, which means they're more likely to pass on their genes, which translates to survival of the smelliest. This discovery opens a ton of strange questions. If sperm rely on smell, could environmental chemicals or toxins confuse their noses? Some researchers think exposure to synthetic scents, pollutions, or even plastics might mess with how your sperm is going to navigate. Fertility issues in modern men could partly be linked to sperm getting bad directions. It also suggests that the female egg has way more control than we even thought. She's not choosing or waiting by releasing signals. Fun fact, this smell connection isn't just about sperm and egg. Some studies suggest sperm reacts differently to different women's egg signals. That means compatibility could partly be chemical, like smell based tinder, at the microscopic level, which is kind of poetic. Attraction might literally start before we're even aware of it. Yes, in a very real sense, testicles can smell, not in the way your nose does, but in the microscopic evolutionary way that ensures sperm doesn't just race randomly, they race with purpose. It's weird, funny, and kind of beautiful because life itself depends on billions of tiny swimmers, each following an invisible perfume trail in the dark. Next time someone says men think with their junk, just remember, they're literally sniffing out the future.